Shalom. This is Avraham Shira, Nar Shalom. I want to invite all of you to a new master series of classes we're presenting entitled God and Money, the Universal Currency. This will be an 8-class series where we explore the relationship of money and man and spirituality, the metaphysics of money, the power of money, the problems money presents, the challenges that we have in earning a living. The list of issues surrounding money are as large as the sea, as they say. And through the Master series, we hope to use the lens of Kabbalah and Chassidut to understand better this complex relationship that we have with the life force of Hashem as it is expressed through money. So please join us on our Patreon classes, and we look forward to seeing you there. And of course, using our Patreon platform, we hope to invite you to comment, share your ideas, your thoughts about the classes, and ideas you have for new classes. Look forward to seeing you there. All the best.